Hey, I hope everybody's doing well. Today we are going to unbox the Bryker Hyde Men's Bifold Executive Wallet. And before we do so, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit of backstory as to why I ended up getting this wallet. Basically, a while back, I had an old wallet and I had stuffed a lot of cards into more than one slot. And as a result, the wallet, the slots were getting very loose and things kept falling out of the slots. My cards, my Metro cards, my debit cards, credit cards, whatever. And it was getting really concerning because, I'd be moving around and I'd be worried about these things falling out. So at the time I wanted to get a new wallet, but I didn't really want to spend too much money. And my cousin had basically like this little card holder, which I'll show you here, and I had been kind of just using that because she had given it to me for free and was just stuffing cash. When I had a few dollars, was using a few dollars, I would stuff it into the side, and I couldn't organize the money and I was stuffing it in, so also then my cash would be a total disaster and it wasn't really meant as a full wallet. One of the things that I thought would be a good idea was to get a wallet with RFID protection, which is, I don't know too much about it, but it prevents from people being able to steal your information. If you know more about that, write a note in the comments and please tell us what you know. Anyway, so all right, let's go ahead and open up the wallet and check it out. I found this one on Amazon. It had the protection. It was something that I felt like could be a good everyday wallet. I thought it looked pretty nice. So now let's see if we can go ahead and open this up. Okay, and let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to try to see if I can come back up here now. I think this will work. So, okay. Damn, I'm not very good at this. Okay. So here we go. Can't really see what I'm doing on the screen, but and there it is. Sorry, I know it's a little low light here. And again, this is the Bryker Hyde Men's Executive Bifold Top Flip. The total price of this particular style was $39.99 on Amazon. The company was started in 2015 and is based in Dallas, Texas. Alright, so that is the Bryker Hyde Men's Bifold Executive Wallet. I've already gotten my cards and my things out of my old card holder and have put them in here, and I'm really excited and happy so far. Happy with it. If you own a Bryker Hyde or have any other comments about wallet or ideas, drop us a comment, and thanks for checking this out. Make sure to check out our other videos too. Alright, take care, be safe. Hope to see you soon.